Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming two essentials: your Apple ID credentials and two-factor access. This prevents lockouts during balance changes. Once authenticated, open Settings and tap your name to view the balance so you know the target amount. Make sure your payment method details are ready, card last 4 digits and billing address, because you may need to verify charges or add funds. Start now so you can move directly into refunds, transfers, or contacting support without interruptions or extra steps. Next, focus on clearing charges that create the balance. If recent purchases are eligible, file refunds using Report a Problem. Apple.com or the Report a Problem link in your purchase receipt. This reverses charges and reduces the balance. Once done, consider offsetting with Apple gift card redemption or moving subscriptions to family sharing to shift costs. These won't increase your balance. If the situation is complex, contact Apple support via chat, explain transactions, and ask for manual adjustments or credit reversals. To finish, verify that your settings show a zero balance and scan recent receipts to confirm reversals. If the balance persists, escalate. Request an Apple ID billing specialist, provide dates and receipts, and ask for specific actions: refund, reversal, or account credit. Make sure two-factor authentication stays enabled, and if a payment method failed verification, update it to avoid recurring holds. If things go wrong, pause and gather evidence. That documentation speeds resolution and ensures Apple can clear the balance for you.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.